I want to know a little bit of feedback from you, both, the good side as well as things which we could improve.
The things which you are doing is quite good, but only the thing is like the problem with the communication. I mean, the when you started, the recording was like not so good.
Mm-hmm.
I think maybe I could just maybe how you should find a better way to
Mm-hmm.
voice sounds and but otherwise like it's quite good and I think people are following it, and even sometimes we used to discuss about you, and like when we are friends together, and even like social gathering at my friend place, like no, we used to talk about. Especially I used to talk about, hey, oh, did you know that lady who's doing that finding the voices? And it's like you should follow. It's quite nice and good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
So,
for showcasing that.
yeah, we used to talk like discuss in group like and
Mm-hmm.
it's really good like somebody started this thing that and it give a lot of message to society.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's quite good.
Okay, so when you speak about the voice quality, like, are you talking about the previous
Yeah,
episode, or have you seen the latest one, wherein we tried with our new equipment?
yeah.
Where,
I think it's getting better. Like I was listening from the Honlin Livestream and
oh yeah, that was in the beginning, way back, when we just started 3 years ago.
Livestream and all those.
Yeah, I definitely have to invite her back now that our quality and everything is good.
I've been following from that time,
Okay.
and then and now I see and there are lots of changes. Like
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember there was one this police officer guy I think.
Yes.
I think that there now is like better like that.
Okay.
Uh, so now I think it's like getting better.
Okay. No, that's good and positive because even we have been struggling with
Yeah, it's
the
like
limitation.
when we started.
Yeah, but now I think we have a good solution for the face-to-face interview as well as the long distance
Yeah,
now, which we are doing today. But I want to test out the recording, and a lot of it depends on your side of the quality as well as my side. So
yeah.
and then the other question what I had is what kind of program or what kind of what do you want us to include?
Can I wish you can provide something on the social cause like
Mm,
some kind of which is like happening in Manipur.
Like we
Um,
have more like people get together and talk about
like,
it. That's one thing I was thinking.
group discussion with some few people like from
Hmm.
different people like in a group. I think.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's good.